Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Look out across the region, not too bad of a day. We do have the chance for some showers as we're heading into the afternoon for the coast, but areas for most of the time during our daylight will be seeing dry conditions. But taking a look at the next few days, well, we're going to be settling into a much cooler and wetter pattern. Even as we head into the weekend, we're expecting quite a bit of precipitation for the next few days. But for today, again, it is going to be mild. Breezes pick up into the afternoon. As we head into tonight, we'll see winds pick up, especially along the coast. Windy conditions into our higher elevations, especially into the Shasta Valley. That wind advisory does start overnight, and we'll expect those temperatures to not get as cold as what we are waking up to this morning. But in terms of those wind gusts, as we start at 2 a.m., that's when that wind advisory sets in place for the Shasta Valley. Between those times, you can see those gusts up to about 55 miles per hour. It is going to be pretty strong gusts out of the south as we're heading over to the coast. As we're moving into Wednesday, they do pick up east side into those higher elevations, and will continue as we even head into the night for your Thursday. But let's go ahead and take a look at those snow levels and break those down a bit more. Now, they will start off higher as we head into our Tuesday, falling off throughout our day into our Wednesday, and by the time we head into our Thursday morning, closer to about 2,000 feet. But overnight tonight, with those snow levels being a bit higher, we are expecting less of those travel impacts. We'll be starting tomorrow morning and throughout our day on our Wednesday. But for the rest of today, chances for showers start late into the afternoon along the coast and into Siskiyou County, picking up as we're heading overnight. So tomorrow morning, I definitely do expect a rainy start as you're in Curry County, Josephine County. We'll see snow working into Siskiyou County as well, with those levels beginning to drop out. Locally, a bit lower again as we're heading towards Mount Shasta. We'll pick up in coverage and the rates as we're heading into the afternoon hours. It'll be coming down quite a bit throughout our day, even as we're heading into the evening. For your Thursday, that's when we'll switch over to a showery-like pattern, but those snow levels are dropping a bit, so we'll likely be seeing impacts to lower pass levels through your Tuesday, even into your Friday. Now, in terms of snowfall, a lot of that accumulation is going to be as we're heading down into southern Siskiyou County. Mount Shasta looking at getting about 4 to 8 inches. So we're heading up into our Cascades, into southern Oregon. Looking at about a foot as we're heading to Crater Lake. Still quite a bit as you're heading to the east side. With that, that's where we're expecting some wintry impacts as well. Tracking that winter weather advisory starting at 5 a.m. this morning, lasting until Thursday. In these areas too, you can see some pretty strong wind gusts, about 55 miles per hour. So that mixed with the snow is not going to make for those great driving conditions. Now, as we're heading into our Friday, colder air does push in, seeing those snow levels in the morning dropping to close to around 1,000 feet. Could see some snow onto the valley floors as for your Friday, but we'll see those levels rise a bit as we're heading into the afternoon. But cold weather does move in again for our Monday, looking like we're going to have an active weekend ahead as well. But let's take a look at your next 7 days. The possibility for a thunderstorm Wednesday and Thursday over into Northern California. Rain and snow will be likely for your Wednesday. Snow showers continue into Thursday and Friday. We're not missing out on any more active weather over into the Klamath Basin. Do expect tomorrow travel impacts mainly throughout your day above 4,000 feet, but we'll drop off as we're heading into on the Friday and Thursday. Same over into the mountains, and expect a wet end to your week over into the Rogue Valley.